how to count rhythms in odd meters, in particular 5/4, 5/8, and 7/8. The most common time signatures are 2/4, 3/4, and 4/4. In fact, 4/4 is so common that we have common time, which is the same as 4/4. In a time signature, the top number tells you how many beats are in each measure, and the bottom number tells you what kind of note is counted as the beat. In these time signatures, the quarter note gets the beat. That's what the 4 stands for. So 2/4 time, 2 quarter notes per measure, 3/4 time, 3 quarter notes per measure, and 4/4 or common time, 4 beats or 4 quarter notes per measure. And this brings us to 5/4 time, 5 beats per measure with the quarter note counted as the beat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5/4 has a bit of a lopsided feel. It has 2 strong beats, beat 1 being the strongest, and then some other somewhat strong beat in the middle of the measure. Most commonly, 5/4 is written with a strong beat 1 and a slightly less strong beat 4, giving it a 3+2 feel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one is all quarter notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. This one has a dotted quarter and eighth note figure. I'll tap out the rhythm first and then play the melody. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one has eighth notes in the first part of the measure and quarter notes in the second part. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this one has quarter notes in the first part, eighth notes in the second part. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Five 4 can also have a 2+3 feel, with the emphasis on beats 1 and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Some more examples. I'll tap the rhythm first and then play the melody. This one has a dotted quarter eighth note figure in the second part. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Combination of quarters, eighths, and a half note. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And eighth notes in the front, quarters in the back. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Most of the time the melody itself will favor 3+2 or 2+3, but if it's ambiguous, you may see some numbers above the time signature to help clear things up. Back to some more common time signatures: 3/8, 6/8, 9/8, and 12/8, with 3/8 and especially 6/8 being the most common of these types. In these types of time signatures, the eighth note is counted as the beat. That's what the 8 stands for. 6/8, for example, has 6 eighth notes per measure. And just as 5/4 time has 5 quarter notes per measure, 5/8 time has 5 eighth notes per measure, which are commonly divided into a 3+2 or a 2+3 feel, with 3+2 being more common. The division of 3+2 or 2+3 tends to be made obvious by the beaming of the eighth notes, and sometimes you'll see some numbers above the time signature for clarity. 3+2 will stress beats 1 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if it's 2+3, the stress will be on beats 1 and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here are some rhythms you might see in 5/8 time. The first three have a 3+2 feel, and we can see the eighth notes beamed in sets of 3, then 2, 3, then 2. So make sure you play beats 1 and 4 a little louder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to tap this one first. We have a dotted 8th 16th note figure, which will be counted 1, 2, and 3, and then that quarter note in this time signature lasts for 2 beats. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This next one I will also tap first. We have mostly eighth notes, but we have some 16th notes, and those will be counted 1, 2, and 3, and. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one has a 2+3 feel, you can tell from the beaming, so we're going to stress beats 1 and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to tap the next one first. We have eighth notes, but we also have a dotted 8th and 16th note figure. That's going to be counted 3, 4, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this last one, we have 16th notes, which will be counted 1 and 2 and 3. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more odd meter, 7/8. 7 beats per measure, with the eighth note counted as the beat. You can divide 7/8 any number of ways, but the most common are 2 plus 2 plus 3 and 3 plus 2 plus 2, with 2 plus 2 plus 3 being the more common. As with 5/8 time, the division tends to be fairly obvious by the beaming of the eighth notes, and occasionally by some numbers written above the time signature. These first 3 examples are 2 plus 2 plus 3. This one is all eighth notes, so you play the eighth notes evenly, but you put a little bit more stress on beats 1, 3, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'll tap the next one first. We have quarter notes and then eighth notes on beats 5, 6, and 7. The quarter notes will last 2 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Got a mixture here. We have a quarter note, 2 eighth notes, and we also have a dotted 8th 16th note figure. So slowly, that will be counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The last three examples are 3 plus 2 plus 2. So now when we have straight eighth notes, we stress beats 1, 4, and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 3 eighth notes grouped together, and then 2 quarter notes. Remember, quarter notes get 2 beats in 7/8 time. This last one has a dotted 8th, 16th feel. That's going to be counted 1, 2, and 3. And again, those 2 quarter notes are 2 beats each, so that'll be 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Check out this playlist for more rhythm and time signature lessons, and for more guitar lessons, music theory, and solo guitar arrangements, please subscribe.